Good morning to all students. So today we will be discussing about domains of development part 7. So in continuation with the previous lectures, we will be continuing our lecture domains of development part 7. In the last lectures, we have discussed about domains of development. There are basically 5 domains of development: gross motor development, fine motor skill development, personal and social understanding, then language, and then vision and hearing. In the previous lectures, we have discussed about gross motor development milestones, fine motor skill developmental milestones, and personal and social development and general understanding milestones. आज हम बात करेंगे milestones of the language and speech. उससे पहले let's recall the milestones of the personal and social development and general understanding. So at the age of 1 month, baby intensely watches his mother when she talks to him. Then at the age of 2 months, baby begins to smile when someone talks to him, social smile. At the age of 3 months, baby enjoys looking around and recognizes his mother. At the age of 6 months, baby develops stranger anxiety and becomes anxious in the presence of the strangers. So baby recognizes the stranger. So he starts crying and also smiles at his mirror image. अपने आप को mirror में देख के वो smile करता है 6 months का baby. Then at the age of 9 months, baby waves bye bye and also repeats any performance which evokes an appreciative response from the observers. बच्चा अपनी उस एक्टिविटी को बार बार रिपीट करेगा अगर कोई उसको ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है और उसको अप्रिशिएट कर रहा है इस चीज के लिए तो. By the age of 1 year, he can understand simple questions like where is your papa, where is your mama, where are your toys, and he plays with simple ball games and also comes when called. जब उसको बुलाते हैं तो वो आ जाता है. Baby plays with simple ball games and understands simple questions. At the age of 15 months, baby points towards objects in which he is interested. At the age of 18 months, baby follows simple orders like ये book उस room में रख के आओ. So baby can follow these simple orders and also copies parents in the task. Like the mother utensils wash कर रही है, father book read कर रहे हैं, तो बच्चा अपने parents को copy करेगा हर task में, हर activity में copy करता है. At the age of 2 years, the baby asks for food, drink, water, toilet, and also pulls people to show his toys. And also at the age of 2 years, the baby can point out towards 3 to 4 body parts like where is your eyes, your ears, your tongue, your lips, like this. He can also point towards 5 to 6 familiar objects जिनको पहले से देख चुका है, जानता है कि ये मेरा टॉय है, ये एप्पल है. So he can point towards 5 to 6 such familiar objects. By the age of 3 years, the baby can share his toys, knows full name and gender, can sing a rhyme, and can identify 1 to 2 colors. So at the age of 3 years, baby can identify 1 to 2 colors. He can recite a poem. He can count. He can share his toys and he knows his full name and gender. At the age of 4 years, baby develops discrimination between left and right direction. He plays cooperatively in the group and goes to toilet alone. At the age of 5 years, baby helps in household activities, household tasks, ड्रेसेस एंड अनड्रेसेस. खुद की ड्रेसेस खुद खोलेगा, खुद पहन सकता है, स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म खुद ओपन कर सकता है. Follows 3 step commands, identify 4 colors and repeat 4 digit numbers. So these were the personal and social development and general understanding milestones. आज हम बात करेंगे language and speech milestones की part 7. So continuation of domains of development part 7. Language and speech. Language is basically a ability, a receptive ability and understanding which precedes the expressive ability. Language is a understanding. Language means understanding the meaning of the sound, meaning of the word, meaning of the sound, and production of meaningful symbolic communication. Speech is a part of language. So language is basically a understanding of the sound. सामने वाले के से जो साउंड आ रही, जो आवाज आ रही है, उसको समझना, उसके मतलब को समझना, एंड देन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द मीनिंगफुल symbolic communication. Conversation is language and speech is a part of language. What we speak is a part of the language. So now let's begin with the milestones of the language and speech. At the age of 1 month, baby gets alert to the sound. At the age of 1 month, Yeah, at 1 month of age, baby gets alert to the sound. At the age of 3 months, baby makes musical vowel sounds, which we call coos. Like this. Musical vowel sounds. This is the musical vowel sound, which we call as coos. By the age of 4 months, baby laughs out loud and squeals with delight. बहुत excited होता है बच्चा. 4 months का baby, he squeals out loud and laughs out loud. बहुत खुश होता है. Excited hota hai and laughs out loud. In this image we can see baby is so excited and laughing out loud. At the age of 6 months, baby uses monosyllables like ba, da, ma, pa, cha, a, gu sounds. Monosyllables. So at the age of 6 months, baby use monosyllables ba, da, ma, pa, cha, na, pa, ba, like this. At the age of 3 months, these are developmental milestones. At the age of 3 months, coos, musical vowel sound, ma, 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 ga, ga. At the age of 6 months, babbling, babble, or language of the children. 12 months में first word. 18 months में baby knows 5 to 40 words. At the age of 2 years, knows 150 to 300 words and can say 2 to 3 word sentences. I am Rahul, like this. At the age of 3 years, 900 to 1000 words and can ask simple short questions. At the age of 4 years, 2000 words and 5 word sentences like I go to school in Ajmer, like this. 5 years, identifies letter, creates longer sentences. Then language and speech milestone 9 months में. At the age of 9 months, bisyllables mama, baba, papa, dada, nana. So at the age of 6 months, baby uses monosyllables ba, da, na. And at the age of 9 months, baby joins the consonants to form the bisyllables. At the age of 12 months, baby speaks 1 to 2 words which have a meaning. At the age of 18 months, 8 to 10 word vocabulary. At the age of 2 years, 2 to 3 word sentence uses pronouns I, me, you, like I am Rahul, you are this, you are X, you are Y, this is me, like this. So 2 to 3 word sentences. I like chocolates, I go to school, like this. So baby makes 2 to 3 word sentences at the age of 2 years by using these pronouns I, me, you go to school, you are good, you are bad, etc. At the age of 3 years, baby asks questions and knows full name and gender. 3 साल का बच्चा repeatedly questions पूछता है parents से. So ask questions and also knows full name and gender. At the age of 4 years, baby recites poems, says song and tells stories. And at the age of 5 years, baby asks meaning of the words. So with this, we complete with the milestones of the language and speech. Thank you. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the next domain, that is vision and hearing.